Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by defining what you must build now: screen time limits, app blocking, location tracking, and alerts. Next, choose a stack that speeds development. For cross-platform use, React Native. For native control, pick Kotlin or Swift. Set up a backend like Firebase for real-time rules and push notifications. Once done, implement minimal auth and a device pairing flow so you can test rules on a child device and iterate immediately. Now you implement the core mechanics. Create secure device pairing using tokens and one-time codes, and make the child device run a background service to enforce rules. Use accessibility APIs for blocking apps when allowed. If you need deeper control, implement a local VPN to intercept traffic. Sync settings via a real-time database and queue changes for offline devices. While you code, test edge cases like reboot, permission revocation, and intermittent connectivity to ensure consistent behavior. Finish by polishing the parental dashboard, activity reports, and push notifications so parents can act quickly. Run systematic tests. Verify permission flows, measure battery impact, and validate that blocks don't cause false positives or app crashes. Once stable, prepare store listings, privacy disclosures, and an in-app consent workflow. If something breaks, check permissions and background service logs first, often granting missing runtime permissions or
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.